Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to my channel. So, just I want to share one of my experience in option trading. Recently, we identified a particular stock, Apollo Hospital. So, I have been tracking this stock over a period of a couple of months. So I identified that this particular stock is turned into a speculative mode. So I wanted to track this particular stock. So I started watching this stock, and I used to visit pharmacies like Apollo Pharmacy, how they do business, and I used to interact with people who are having direct contact with the Apollo hospitals, how the business is being done there. Such kind of information I used to collect. Rather than I don't simply follow the EPSP ratio and all. I just collect informations directly from the source through the proper channel. And coming to the main subject, this Apollo Hospital, I made a small jackpot in this particular script. I selected this Apollo Hospital 3000 call option at an entry price of 50 rupees. So I recommended this particular stock in Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine in last week, 9th of this month. The entry price is 50 rupees. So lot size is 500, and multiplying the entry price by lot size, this would be 25,000 rupees as investment for one lot. For one lot, 25,000 rupees is nothing. Nowadays, this 25,000 rupees is 25k is nothing. They throw away money. Now today, the day on which I am recording this video, 16th of February, this particular price has gone to 272 rupees. So imagine such a massive growth, starting from 50 rupees to 272 rupees. So this 272 rupees multiplied by lot size 500, this will be comes around 1.375 lakhs of rupees. So imagine such a massive growth. The investment 25,000 rupees has grown into 1.375 lakhs within a span of 7 calendar days, and excluding Saturday and Sundays, there are only 5 working days. Within these 5 working days, this particular script, Apollo 3000 call option, has given 550 percentage of growth of money. So imagine such a massive growth. With respect to this Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, last month in the month of January, we published around 48 successful trading tips, in which we gave double money trading tips. Double money trading tips is nothing but the investment has to be doubled. If a subscriber invests 10k in a particular script, it has to grown as 20k. And we also give triple money trading tips. It's nothing but the investment has to triple time growth. And jackpot trading tips. Jackpot trading tips is nothing but 5 times, 10 times, 17 times, 20 times, sometimes 25 times, some rare cases 30 times growth within the option series. And coming to this February month option series, we gave 35 successful trading tips up to this 16th of February. And remaining days are there. We will be giving some more trading tips, successful trading tips like double money trading tips, triple money trading, even jackpot trading tips. If at all you want to have such a massive growth, you want to enjoy massive profit, you can very well subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. The subscription details are given in the comment box. You can also visit to our blog bullstreet.com. You can follow my social media status in Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And what I mean to say that, suppose you want to take a calculated risk, you want to make a massive growth of money, it is better you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. See, imagine in this fashion, suppose a subscriber invest a small amount, say about 10k in a trading. The 10k has to increase as 20k in one particular trading. It may be achieved in a few days, or it may be achieved in 1 week. And second trading, suppose the investor invests 10k plus 10k. 10k is the initial working capital and 10k is the profit end. Together it will be 20k. If he invests 20k in the second trading, it has to increase as 40k. And third trading, suppose the subscriber invests 40k as a working capital, it has to grow as 80k. Like that, it will go endless. Suppose if a subscriber starting with a span of 10k and he completes 10 successive and successful trading, the end amount will be around a big 1 rupee. So it is not in a hurry to achieve such a big target within a month. So I advise always to my followers and subscribers, it is better trade once in a week or once in a month. Complete one successful trading in option trading, make your money get into double the value. So increase the number of lots, follow the same in the second month and next month and so on. At the end of the year, you will be having a massive growth of money. So this is my secret of success. So it is better you can subscribe to Bull Street Cash-in Online Trading Tips magazine. The subscription details I'll put in the comment box. So please give your support to this channel. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.